Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be doing an experiment. I did one last night and it actually came out sort of so-so, but I'll show you a few that I did. One is this one. What I'm trying to do is get those blocky effects at the edge of the petal. That's one. That one I made into a bowl. So they're quite cute looking. And I want to give this a proper go because I ran out of, like I only mixed up just a little bit. So let's go and see how we go. Starting from, we'll do the black. Actually, I saw Petra doing this. And I loved her version of it. And that's what I'm going to try today. So now the colors we have is the black, the strawberry color. Now I don't have inks, so these are pigments that I use, liquid pigments. This was the teal color, and this was the orange. I mean the yellow. But like I said, I don't have the inks that Petra had, and this is the white. So and these two are little samples that I want to try something with. So that's the black. Now we go for the red. I think she did red. And then she went with the teal. And she went with the yellow. And she went with the white. Yeah. This one, I want to do this. The resin has so many bubbles. Put you on. So this one got spoiled because this blue thing bubbled up because I put my heat mat on, and I don't know, I have a lot of trouble with this. This tends to, it doesn't like heat. This, so that's out. We can go in the bin. Let's have a look at this one. These were only samples. I just wanted to try and get those blocks at the edge of the petals. Okay, so I don't know about this one either. It's quite pretty though. I wanted like little blocks right round, like I got in this one. See the little blocks? That's how it looked. See how pretty it looks at the edge, these little blocks? That's what I was aiming at. But obviously, I don't know, maybe the pigments aren't right, or the stuff I put into it to make it sort of like that shiny. I know Petra used iridescent powder. This is not an iridescent, but it does the same thing. But I think it's mucked up a bit. But let's have a look at this one. See how it bubbles. See how this one came out. It's quite pretty though. Oh wow, look at that. that actually came up. Oops. That actually came out quite pretty. That's behind the black. That is gorgeous. Oh, I should have put a backing on it. Oh well, it was a practice run. That is pretty. Look at the little rose in the middle. Oh, let me bring you down. Isn't that gorgeous? What do you think? And I got those little pebbles. Actually, they look like a whole bunch of teeth. But it does look pretty. That's the other little one. But the colors came out beautiful with that silver in it. Oh my gosh, it really looks like teeth. And I must ask Petra how to get the blob. Maybe I didn't put enough white. Maybe I need to put more white. God, that's funny. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope one of you, hey Kimmy, give this a go. See you later.